Welcome to Explore and Discover. Today, we're revealing how you can fly business class for less. No secret club required. Forget the myth that business class is only for the rich or corporate elite. With the right strategy, you can enjoy luxury travel without breaking the bank. We'll show you step-by-step how to find amazing business class deals. Whether you're planning a special occasion or just want to arrive refreshed, this guide is for you. We'll focus on a powerful, free flight search tool that anyone can use. By the end, you'll know how to spot and book those elusive bargains. Ready to unlock affordable luxury travel? Let's dive in and start your journey to smarter, more comfortable flying. Let's talk about our favorite tool, Google Flights. It's fast, flexible, and perfect for finding premium cabin deals. Unlike other sites, Google Flights lets you search entire continents or view prices across a whole month. It's an aggregator, so you see prices from hundreds of airlines and agents, no bias, just options. You're free to book wherever you find the best deal. The interface is clean and easy, with visual tools like price graphs and maps. You don't need to be tech-savvy. Everything is intuitive. Google Flights cuts through the clutter, showing you the best business class deals at a glance. It's the ideal starting point for anyone looking to upgrade their travel experience. With its powerful features, you'll never miss a bargain again. Ready to see how it works? Let's get searching. Welcome to your very first hands-on demo of searching for business class flights. If you've ever wondered how seasoned travelers find those luxurious seats at the front of the plane, you're about to learn the basics. This step-by-step walkthrough will show you exactly how to start your search, what to look for, and how to set yourself up for success, whether you're planning a dream vacation or a crucial business trip. First, open Google Flights in your web browser. This is one of the most powerful and user-friendly tools for finding flights, and it's completely free to use. In the Departure Airport field, type in your home airport. Let's use Dublin as our example for today. You can, of course, use any airport that's convenient for you. Next, pick your destination. For this demo, let's choose Tirana, Albania, a city that's both unique and increasingly popular among travelers. You can enter any city or airport you're interested in, but picking a less common destination can sometimes reveal surprising deals. Here's the crucial step. Change the cabin class from economy to business. This is usually found in a drop-down menu labeled cabin class or travel class. By default, most search engines show economy fares, so you'll need to manually select business to see those premium options. Once you've set the cabin class to business, your search results will automatically filter to show only business class seats. This makes it much easier to compare options without getting distracted by economy fares. Now enter your travel dates. For this example, let's try a week in September, but feel free to experiment with different months or durations. Sometimes, shifting your dates by just a few days can make a big difference in price. Once you've chosen your dates, hit the search button to see what's available. Instantly, you'll see a list of business class flights, sorted by price, duration, and convenience. Google Flights does a great job of highlighting the best options, but don't just look at the cheapest fare. Pay attention to flight times, layovers, and total travel time. Take a closer look at the details for each flight. Check which airlines are operating the route, what time the flights depart and arrive, and how many layovers there are. Some business class products are much better than others, so it's worth doing a little research on the airlines you see. This first search gives you a baseline price for your route. Think of it as your starting point, a reference for what a standard business class fare looks like between your chosen cities and dates. Make a note of the lowest prices you see, as well as any standout options. Now you have a clear idea of what a typical business class fare costs. You can see what's included, what the seats look like, and which airlines offer the best schedules. This knowledge is essential for spotting a true deal later on. In the next steps, we'll dive into advanced tools and strategies to help you find even better deals, sometimes saving hundreds or even thousands of dollars. We'll look at flexible date searches, alternative airports, and special fare alerts. Remember, the key to finding the best business class deals is knowing where to look and how to search. With a little practice, you'll be able to spot great fares and book with confidence. Ready to unlock the real money-saving features? Let's move on and dig even deeper into the world of business class travel. If you want to unlock the very best flight deals, here's a secret. Flexibility is your greatest ally. Instead of locking yourself into specific dates, try to keep your travel window open. Even a little flexibility can make a huge difference in the price you pay. Airlines adjust fares constantly, and sometimes shifting your trip by just a day or two can save you hundreds of dollars. So before you book, take a deep breath and get ready to explore your options. After you've entered your initial search, look for the date grid option above your results. This is where the magic really starts to happen. The date grid is a powerful tool that lets you see a matrix of prices for different departure and return date combinations, all at a glance. In this table, you'll notice that the cheapest options are often highlighted in green or another color, making them easy to spot. It's like having a cheat sheet for the best deals. You can quickly compare how prices change if you leave a day earlier or come back a day later. Sometimes just a small adjustment, like flying out on a Tuesday instead of a Monday, can mean huge savings. This flexibility can be the difference between a cramped seat in economy and a spacious one in business class, all for a similar price. Next, try out the price graph feature. This tool shows you how the price of your trip changes depending on the length of your stay. You can see at a glance if staying an extra night or shortening your trip by a day will get you a better deal. You might be surprised. Sometimes a longer or even a shorter trip is actually cheaper than your original plan. The price graph helps you spot these opportunities instantly, so you never miss out on a hidden bargain. By using both the date grid and price graph, you can spot patterns in pricing and pick the dates that offer the best value. These tools are designed to help you make smarter decisions and get the most out of your travel budget. Don't just settle for your first choice of dates. Let the prices guide you. Sometimes the difference of a single day can mean the difference between a good deal and a great one. Remember, flexibility is your biggest advantage when searching for flights. The more open you are to adjusting your travel dates, the more likely you are to find those jaw-dropping deals. Play around with the dates, toggle between options, and don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes the best deals are just a click away, waiting for you to discover them. Most travelers miss out on incredible savings simply because they're too rigid with their plans. Don't let that be you. A little flexibility can go a long way. With just a bit of wiggle room in your schedule, you could find yourself flying business class for a fraction of the usual price, or enjoying a dream destination you thought was out of reach. So make it a habit to use these features every time you search for flights. Flexible dates and the calendar view aren't just tools, they're your travel superpower. With them, you'll always be one step ahead, ready to seize the best deals and make your next adventure unforgettable. Not quite ready to book your flight just yet? Maybe you're still weighing your options, or perhaps you're hoping for that perfect deal to pop up. The good news is, you don't have to keep checking prices every day or worry about missing out on a sudden drop. Instead, set up a price alert. This simple step can make a huge difference in how you book your next trip. With just a few taps or clicks, you'll be notified automatically when prices change for your chosen flights. On your search results page, whether you're using Google Flights or another travel site, look for the option to track prices. Just toggle it on for the flights or routes you're interested in. It's quick, easy, and totally free. Once you've set your alert, you'll get an email whenever there's a significant change in fare. No more obsessively refreshing your browser or worrying you'll miss a flash sale. Google Flights does the heavy lifting for you, sending timely updates straight to your inbox. This is especially important for business class tickets, where prices can fluctuate dramatically and drop without warning. A price alert can be the difference between paying full fare and snagging a luxury seat at a fraction of the cost. Airlines often release a limited number of discounted seats at random times. With alerts, you'll be among the first to know, giving you a real advantage to book before those deals disappear. Don't limit yourself to just one route or date. Set up alerts for several different travel dates and destinations. This way, you can compare options and jump on the best deal, no matter when or where it appears. It's almost like having a personal travel agent working for you around the clock, except it's free, and you're always in control. If you're planning a trip months in advance, setting up alerts early gives you the best shot at catching a price drop. The earlier you start tracking, the more likely you are to spot a real bargain before anyone else. The alert emails often include a price history graph, so you can see if the current fare is truly a deal or just a minor dip. This helps you make smarter decisions and avoid overpaying. Over time, this passive strategy can save you hundreds of dollars, money you can spend on experiences, upgrades, or your next adventure. Let Google do the monitoring for you, so you can relax and focus on planning the fun parts of your trip. Stay patient, keep an eye on your inbox, and be ready to book as soon as the right price appears. Sometimes, the best deals are gone in hours, so acting quickly is key. For savvy travelers, price alerts are a total game changer, helping you travel smarter, save more, and enjoy the journey from the very start. Want the best value? Look beyond the obvious destinations. Major hubs like New York or London are pricey, but emerging cities offer hidden gems. Airlines often discount business class to new or less traveled routes to fill seats. Think Ljubljana, Montenegro, or Da Nang instead of the usual hotspots. Watch for new airline routes. These often come with promo fares. Use travel news and blogs to spot up-and-coming places. Search for these cities on Google Flights and compare prices. Sometimes business class to an emerging spot is cheaper than economy to a major city. Be adventurous. Unique destinations mean better deals and memorable trips. Meet your new favorite feature, the Explore map. On Google Flights, click Explore to see a world map dotted with prices. Enter your departure airport, select business class, and leave the destination blank. Set flexible dates like a week in the next 6 months. Instantly, you'll see business class fares to cities worldwide. Zoom and pan to spot unexpected bargains, especially in emerging destinations. Let the deals inspire your next trip. Filter by interests, beaches, museums, and more. The Explore map turns searching into an adventure. Spend time exploring. You might find a deal to a place you never considered. This tool has led us to some of our best trips. Let it guide your next journey. A few extra tips to maximize your savings. Check prices from nearby airports. Sometimes a short train ride saves hundreds. Use positioning flights. Fly economy to a city with cheaper business class deals, then connect. Always compare what each airline offers: lie flat seats, lounge access, and more. Click the drop-down on Google Flights for flight details. Book directly with airlines when possible for easier support if plans change. A small saving with an online agent isn't worth the hassle if things go wrong. These tricks help you get the most value from every booking. That's your roadmap to affordable business class travel with Google Flights. Start with a business class search, then use flexible dates and price alerts to find deals. Explore emerging destinations and use the map to discover new options. Check nearby airports and consider positioning flights for extra savings. Always compare amenities and book smart. Now it's your turn. Open Google Flights and start exploring. Set alerts, play with the map, and see what you uncover. We hope these tips help you travel in style for less. Thanks for joining us at Explore and Discover. Happy travels and see you in the skies. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and comment.